Welcome back to the Career Blueprint. Tired of traffic, bad coffee, and endless meetings? Let's talk about real work-from-home jobs, no degree required. Today, I'll show you 7 remote jobs anyone can start, even with 0 experience. These aren't side hustles, they're full-time opportunities you can do from your couch. I've researched the best entry-level roles that don't need a diploma or a pile of debt. I'll break down what these jobs are, how much you can make, and how to get hired fast. Ready to swap your commute for a 2-step walk to your home office? Let's dive into the top 7 work-from-home jobs for beginners. Watch until the end. The last job is the most flexible and potentially highest paying. Really quickly, before we get started, I'd like to say thanks for being here and remind you that we release new content frequently on this channel, so if you enjoy our videos, consider hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. It's free for you, and it helps us get more folks to see our videos. Okay, let's get started. First up, the classic customer service representative. This is the most accessible remote job. Companies are always hiring. You'll answer calls, emails, or chats, helping customers solve problems and making sure they have a good experience. Patience and empathy are key, but you can learn these skills. Starting pay is usually $15, $22 an hour, with benefits and room to grow. The pros: work from home, low entry barrier, and constant demand. The cons: you'll deal with angry customers, so thick skin helps. To get hired, highlight any people skills: retail, food service, volunteering. Use keywords like customer-facing and problem-solving on your resume. Companies like Amazon and U-Haul hire remote CSRs and provide training. All you need is a reliable internet connection, a quiet space, and a headset. Be professional and positive in interviews. Show you're a problem solver. When asked about handling tough customers, explain your step-by-step approach. Listen, empathize, apologize, identify the problem, and offer a solution. This role is the foundation of remote work, stable, always in demand, and a great launchpad for your career. Search job boards like Indeed or FlexJobs for remote customer service openings. If you're ready to start, there are thousands of jobs waiting right now. It's a legitimate career path, not just a temporary gig. You'll build resilience and skills that transfer to any job. Customer service is your ticket to remote work. Ready to apply? Go for it. Next, data entry clerk. Perfect if you love organizing and spreadsheets. You'll transfer information into databases or spreadsheets. Accuracy and speed matter most. Pay starts at $14, $20 per hour, often with flexible hours and project-based work. It's low stress, quiet, and great for parents or students. The downside? It can get repetitive. To stand out, take a free typing test and put your speed and accuracy on your resume. Know your way around Excel or Google Sheets? Even better. If not, free YouTube tutorials can get you up to speed fast. Look for job titles like data entry clerk or remote typist. Healthcare, finance, and retail companies are always hiring for these roles. Check Upwork, Freelancer, or traditional job boards for gigs. This job is ideal for organized, detail-oriented self-starters. You'll gain valuable data management experience from home. It's a simple way to break into remote work. If you want a focused, independent job, data entry is waiting for you. Give it a try. Number 3, virtual assistant or VA. This role is booming. If you're organized and love helping others, you'll thrive here. VAs support busy entrepreneurs or executives with tasks like managing emails, scheduling, social media, and more. Every day is different. One day it's travel booking, the next it's social media posts. Starting pay is $18, $25 per hour, but specialists can charge $30, $40 or more. Many VAs work with multiple clients, boosting their income and flexibility. The pros: variety, control over your schedule, and the chance to run your own business. The con: you must be self-motivated and super organized. To get started, list your skills: email management, calendar scheduling, social media, proofreading, on a simple one-page service sheet. Find clients in Facebook groups for small business owners. Offer value, don't spam. When someone's overwhelmed, send a polite message offering your services. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are also great for finding VA jobs. Offer a starter package like 5 hours for $75 to get your first client and testimonial. Do a great job and you'll get ongoing work at higher rates. Being a VA teaches you business skills and exposes you to different industries. It's dynamic, scalable, and perfect for natural planners. If you love variety and helping others, Virginia work could be your empire. Start small, build your reputation, and watch your opportunities grow. The VA world is wide open. Jump in. Your remote career could start here. Job 4. Social Media Evaluator. Yes, you can get paid to scroll. Companies hire you to review social media content and ads, helping improve their algorithms. You'll rate posts, ads, and search results based on guidelines, no experience needed. Pay is $12, $18 an hour, usually part-time and super flexible. Work whenever you want, perfect as a side hustle. The pros: easy work, total flexibility, and you're already using social media. The con: work can be inconsistent and sometimes repetitive. To get hired, apply directly to companies like Appen and Telus International. You'll need to pass a qualification exam, read the guidelines carefully, and take your time. They want detail-oriented, objective raters. When working, follow the rules exactly. Your opinions don't matter, just the guidelines. This job is great for anyone wanting extra cash with minimal stress. It won't make you rich, but it's perfect for paying bills or saving up. Check out Appen and Telus International to get started. If you're already scrolling, why not get paid for it? It's a simple way to earn from home. Give it a shot. 5th, Transcriptionist. If you type fast and have a good ear, this is for you. Listen to audio or video files and type out what's said. Interviews, lectures, meetings, and more. Pay is usually 50 cents, $1 per audio minute, translating to $15, $20 per hour as you get faster. The pros: high flexibility, work from anywhere, and you can improve your speed over time. The cons: it can be tedious and requires intense focus, especially with poor audio. Invest in noise-canceling headphones and a foot pedal to boost your speed and earnings. Start with beginner-friendly sites like Rev, TranscribeMe, and Scribey. You'll need to pass a short skills test, practice, and try again if you don't pass it first. Strong grammar and punctuation are essential. Use free resources to brush up. The more accurate you are, the better your ratings and pay. This job is perfect for detail-oriented, patient, and self-disciplined people. If you enjoy turning messy audio into clean text, transcription is a reliable remote income. It's a skill you can master and use for years. Build your speed, accuracy, and reputation for higher-paying projects. Transcription is a classic remote job. Give it a try. You might find it's the perfect fit. Start practicing and apply today. Your remote career could begin here. Number 6, Online Chat Support Agent. Perfect for fast typers who love helping people. You'll assist customers via chat, no phone calls required. Answer questions, troubleshoot, and process orders in real time. Skilled agents can handle multiple chats at once, making you super valuable. Pay is $15, $22 per hour, similar to phone-based customer service. Demand is growing as companies shift to chat support. Pros: no phone calls, multitasking, and a quieter work environment. Con: you need to type fast and think quickly. Customers expect instant answers. Practice multitasking by chatting with friends in multiple windows. Highlight your ability to manage several conversations at once on your resume. Master canned responses to save time and ensure accuracy. Search for remote chat agent jobs on Indeed, ZipRecruiter, or company career pages. Companies like Apple and Wayfair hire large remote chat teams. If you're a strong writer and quick thinker, this role is for you. It's a stable, well-paying entry into remote work. Finally, number 7, Freelance Content Writer. Ultimate flexibility and unlimited earning potential. If you can write clearly, you can get paid. No need to be a literary genius. Write blog posts, articles, website copy, emails, or even video scripts for businesses. Beginners might earn $50, $100 per post, but experienced writers charge much more. Your income grows with your skills and client list. Pros: total freedom, choose your projects, work from anywhere. Con: income isn't steady at first, you have to find clients and market yourself. Start by writing 3 sample blog posts on topics you like. Now you have a portfolio. Publish them on Medium or a simple blog for live links. Find work on Textbroker, Upwork, or other writing platforms to get your first paid gigs. The secret: pick a niche, become the go-to writer for a specific industry. Specialists earn more and get better clients. This path is perfect for self-starters who love learning and writing. It takes hustle, but the payoff is huge, financially and creatively. You'll help businesses grow and learn new things every day. Freelance writing is more accessible than ever. Start building your portfolio and reputation now. If you love words, this could be your dream remote job. Give it a try. There you have it, 7 work-from-home jobs you can start today, no degree or experience needed. We covered everything from customer service to freelance writing. The 9-to-5 grind isn't your only option anymore. The internet has opened up endless possibilities. Pick a job, follow the tips, and take your first step. Action is what sets you apart. Start building your future now. Like, subscribe, and comment which job would you try. This is the Career Blueprint signing off. See you in the next video.